Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam mirrored crystal centerpiece. So what you're going to need some of this rhinestone bulk embellishment packet. This is from Totally Dazzled. You'll also need some of the rhinestone buckles from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You'll also need some of this floral diamond wrap from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need 3 stemless wine glasses or 3 glass tumblers. You'll need a pack of these Tealight holders. You're going to need one of these 8x10 framed mirrors. And then I may or may not be recycling this 8.5 by 11 poster frame from Dollar Tree as well. Now I will be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make the project permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to add any additional items to the list, I'll include it in the description box below. Well, let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant glam crystal and mirrored centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make and it's super versatile. It can be used in any number of ways. You can certainly add more embellishment or even less than I've added here. But you could use this for a wedding, a special event, any kind of holiday or seasonal decor will work with this. Super simple. Well, let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.